Piny Kenya osingo mar keto lai makare matieko ng'ikruok mag ohala e tong' mare kod pinje mamoko kaka yorno ma ji ohala e kind pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe. Magi noyangi gi jatend migawo manyien mar pinje Afrika ma Ugwe Beatrice Askul, manowacho ni ng'ikruok mag chenro e tong' osekelo ohinga modhuro ne sudo mag mwandu e kind pinjegi. Owacho magi e kinde yango piem mar ndigni manochakore e piny Rwanda kokalo e Kenya kendo tieko piem margi e piny Uganda kaka yorno mar uso ajenda mag kwe, limbe kaachiel kod chiemo makare e kind pinje.
We have also put a framework through which the youths in the country within the member states are able to move from border to border, marketing their skills. We've always had like Kenyans are training within the member states universities, colleges. So that movement of getting skills comfortably within the borders is what we encourage. It will finally get a Kenyan, for example, finish university from Makerere, for instance, Uganda, and then he gets employed there. So we are opening this border so that people can freely move in terms of educating themselves. They can also access markets within those various member states.
The Great African Cycling Safari, now in its 7th edition, is themed furthering campaigns to promote food security, peace, and climate mitigation. This event aims to bring the EAC integration agenda closer to its citizens by highlighting regional and community challenges while showcasing the opportunities the EAC offers.
We are pushing for peace. We want to see peace. There is a lot happening that we cannot even talk about, but we feel we need to push for peace. We need to call. It's all our responsibility.
This is a policy framework that actually it is of the kind that has made the EAC to be seen as the most progressive regional community